Unity Systems Solutions. Acer Nitro 5. Processor 12th generation Intel Core i5-12500H processor. 3.30 GHz with turbo boost up to 4.50 GHz, DDR4. Operating system, Windows 11 Home. RAM 8 GB DDR4 3200 MHz memory. Storage 512 GB PCIe NVMe SSD. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 with 4 GB of dedicated GDDR6 VRAM. The Acer Nitro 5 is a budget gaming laptop favorite, and the 2023 version includes one of NVIDIA's latest graphics cores and an Intel 12th General CPU. So on paper, it could easily maintain its status as one of the most popular affordable gaming options on the market. There is a big advantage to that the base is extremely sturdy and the laptop generally feels like it has a great built chassis, despite the plastic body around it. As you can see, the design is relatively clean with some lines printed around it. The backside features a couple of rather aggressive vents. The right-hand side of the rig houses two USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, and on the left edge there's a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, the audio jack and the gigabit Ethernet output. At the rear there's a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port that handles DisplayPort, Thunderbolt 4 and 5 volts 3A device charging, and it can also be used to charge the laptop. There's also a future-proofed HDMI 2.1 socket. The lid can be opened with a single hand. Its hinges are relatively stable.
forward.